What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So this one is another question, but this question I think is a very interesting, very weird question. It's just a what if kind of situation. So the question sounds like this. Bro, check with you. If housing loan for individual, let's say tenure, his tenure 35 years, loan 500k. After 5 years paying, outstanding, let's say 450, okay? Balance 30 years to go. If he make partial settlement to reduce outstanding to 200,000, okay, partial settlement a lot, 250,000. He should settle in less than 30 years, but he insists to settle in 30 years time. So can he reduce his installment further? So he can prolong to 30 years with lower principal of 200k? Okay, this question here, let me explain. Now got outstanding of 200k. He insists of settling, but since the tenure is less than 30, now the person here asking, is it possible to extend it back to 30? That means you lower the installment. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call reschedule. You extend the tenure to reduce the installment. And then this is where the secrets will mark with R, okay? Mark with R. So to answer this question, I think less likely the bank will entertain you. You know why? Because if they were to entertain you, they will have to reschedule your loan. Yes, I understand that you paid out the principal, not say you got no money. But the rules are the rules. And the banks will not want to get a bad side of Bank Negara because the fine is exorbitantly high. For one case like this, maybe you can get to fine, I think I heard right up to $1 million right now. Every misconduct or every audit finding that you cannot explain and it's contravening the compliance, you go against the compliance, the fine is 1 million ringgit per case, I think. So the bank would not want to lose this money, 1 million ringgit, just because of one case like this. Yes, you are paying well. So my suggestion to you is I continue just to paying like normal and finish it in less than 30 years. What you can do if you want to get exact amount, right? You have to ask the bank, like for example, how much I'm paying now to finish the loan in 30 years. You have to ask the bank to do calculation. That also, frankly speaking, I don't think they will actually entertain all this. You just pay the principal and reduce that. Your principal and the loan tenure will go down accordingly, okay? So I hope that answers your question. If you have any more questions, I appreciate that you leave in the YouTube comment down below. Yes, for more personal one, you can WhatsApp me. But otherwise, general ones, I appreciate that you leave in the comments down below to help with the algorithm, okay? And if you are looking to apply loan, you can actually click down below. There's a link down below to apply loan. I do mortgages and also SME loans. And I'll see you again next video. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye-bye.